So, shall we start the interview?
Yeah, start பண்ணலாம் கிருஷ்ணன்.
So, இப்போ நான் recording ஆரம்பிக்க போறேன். So, everything will be recorded from now onwards.
Yeah, okay.
Finally, we have the Arun Purushottam with us, who gained a massive recognition from the release of his first book, and it became a best-selling novel. So, we welcome you, sir.
Hey, thank you, Krishnan. I'm really glad to be a part of this interview. Hope everything goes well.
Yeah. Sir, actually, இது நான் உங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் புக் ரிலீஸ் ஆகும்போதே பண்ணலாம்னு இருந்தேன் இந்த இன்டர்வியூ, பட் never expected to happen during a pandemic and lockdown situation. So, என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூஷுவல் கேள்வி, how are you dealing with the nationwide lockdown, sir?
I'm feeling a bit guilty to say this, but yeah, I'm spending a wonderful time during this lockdown. நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கு.
Why guilty, sir?
You know, right, many problems are going on, like these migrant issues, அப்புறம் like lots of other struggles, like peopleக்கு சாப்பாடு சரியா இல்லை, அப்புறம் ஃபுட் எல்லாம் இல்லை, like lots of பிரச்சனை. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது லைக் கவர்மெண்ட் மேலே செம்ம கோவத்தில் இருக்கேன்.
So, I forgot to mention, கவர்மெண்ட் பத்தி பேச வேணாமே, like சேனலோட ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ பேசாம லைக் கொஞ்சம் பெட்டரா இருக்கும்.
Okay, let's start it from the beginning.
இல்ல சார், you can start from your answer itself. It's not a problem.
Okay. How I'm spending my lockdown is like, yeah, most of the time writing, reading, அப்புறம் books. Books have helped me a lot during this time. Yeah, அப்படிதான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு.
As you mentioned books, so next question வந்து, what inspired you to write your first book, sir? Like அந்த germ வரும்ல, அந்த germ of the idea, அது எங்க இருந்து வந்தது?
See, Krishnan, I don't get inspired by anything like that, basic. Maybe, yeah, the book being a science fiction itself, yeah. Okay, unga terms la solna, maybe I was inspired by the real science and the exciting facts about it, maybe. Abdi irkalam.
Okay. Can you give one example of what actual science you based your concepts on?
You know, virus called rabies virus, right?
Yeah, rabies virus.
Yeah, so I basically went through an article about rabies virus. So I got to know that rabies virus actually ungaloda nerves when it enters, it affects your whole nervous system. So I thought, why don't I keep that as a base to design my nanobot? I think in chapter 4, I guess.
Chapter 4, 5 and 6. There was the special mention of nanobot technology.
Yeah, chapter 4, 5, 6.
Sir, but உங்க புக்கை நான் படிக்கும் போது what I felt was, more than the science stuff, it was focused on human relations and it was very emotionally strong. So was that a conscious decision?
Yeah, Krishnan, that was intentional. I just wanted my characters to be emotionally strong, and I was keen on that. அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. Like I knew what I was doing.
Okay. And one more thing is the friendship story. Like it was really connected. I was really connected to it. It was really relatable. So is that from your personal life experience? Because the narrator is the author itself. So is that how you spend your time with your friends, and is that what is written in the book?
Yes, it is from my personal life. I was not inspired by the experience, but yeah, I just want my life to be like that.
I didn't get you, sir. Want?
I was not one of those fortunate people, who have friends. If I had to tell something to someone, நான் எழுத ஆரம்பிப்பேன். I used to write it down as conversation between friends, I don't know, I felt that was better to live through characters instead of getting your trust broken by the real people who pretend to be like friends. It is not that I didn't have any friends, but yeah, graduation வரைக்குமே எல்லாமே நல்லா தான் போயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு. I had friends like everyone else had, but slowly when time passed, I felt I was unwanted by everyone. I just don't know how people throw you out of their life just like that. The 4 years, those 4 years spent with them at the end became like nothing. I felt nothing at the end. It was like that. I thought I should be emotionally even more stronger and independent. அதனால தான் I just moved on with my literature masters, and now here I am with the best-selling novel. Krishnan, shall we move on to the next question if you don't mind?
Fine sir. Like next question, Instagram DM ல இருந்து உங்க fans particular என்ன மெசேஜ் பண்ணாங்க, so அதுல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். So the first question from one of your
Krishnan, 1 minute. Sorry to interrupt. Shall we start it from beginning? One more polama start la irundhu, because I didn't want the interview to go like this, I just felt I was bit personal, so nama start la irundhu poilame. Like I just want a fun filled kind of interview. I don't want emotion tracked interview. Nama, if you don't mind, we'll start from the beginning.
Fine, totally fine sir. ஒரு ஹாப்பியான ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ பண்ணிடலாம் sir. ஜாலியா ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ.
Please.
So I'll cut this recording. I'll cut this recording. We'll start from the beginning.
Okay.
Thanks. That was a really fun interview, sir. Thank you for doing it with us.
Hey, Krishnan, thank you so much. It was real fun and I had great time during this interview. Thank you so much for this interview.
So we need to thank you, sir. And fine, sir. Bye, sir. You stay safe. Take care, sir.
You too, Krishnan. Stay safe. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Hi, Ravi.
Hey, Jacob. என்னடா வீடியோ கால் எல்லாம் பண்ணிருக்க?
Just thought of calling you. அருணோட வீடியோ பார்த்தியா? The interview one.
ஆமாடா, நான் காலையில பார்த்தேன் when it got released in the channel.
He was so happy, la.
Yeah, his face was glowing. He was very happy. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தா.
Yeah. He was so happy.
Hey, Jacob, என்ன ஆச்சுடா? ஏன் சைலண்ட் ஆயிட்ட?
Just that only by such interviews we can see him, we can listen to him. நம்ம லைஃப்ல இல்ல இப்போ.
மச்சான், it's supposed to be like that. நம்மளால ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. We can't really change it.
Yeah, for what we did to him, we deserve this.
There was no other option, Jacob. It was supposed to be like this. If we wouldn't have ignored him, or if we wouldn't have made him feel like he was unwanted, he would have joined that company with us. He wouldn't have taken masters in literature.
But because spoken to him, நம்ம சொல்லியிருந்தா அவன் கேட்டிருப்பா கண்டிப்பா. உன் பேஷனை ஃபாலோ பண்ணு, உனக்கு பிடிக்காத கம்பெனியில் எதுக்கு வேலை செய்கிறேன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தா கண்டிப்பாக கேட்டிருப்பான்டா.
You think he would have listened to us? You remember in third year when we asked him to take that creative writing course? We convinced him so much. Later he manipulated us and took that computer science course. He just wanted to spend time with us, and it would have been the same exact way.
But Ravi, imagine if he had joined that company with us, nothing would have changed between us. எதுவுமே மாறி இருக்காதுல்ல.
Macha, you and me, to be honest, we didn't have any dream, We just wanted to enjoy life, but he was different. He always had a dream to become a writer. But our nama kuda friends anappa, the only thing that mattered to him was to spend time with us. He never cared about his dream anymore. And you were the one who told me about his dream, right?
Right.
Jacob, we need to forget about this, He's very happy with what he's doing. Like right in the interview, we could tell it from his face. He was very happy. That's all matters, right? We always wanted him to be happy, and he's happy right now.
Yeah, right. That's all that matters. this happiness.
Jacob chilled. Someday he'll want to talk to us.
It's all for the good. But I miss those days, those triples in the bike, late night sneak out, food streets, anti shop cigarettes, tandoori chai. We had the best time of our life.